You want the chicken?
Right. So we are the Jamilu Lai Poultry Farms, and this is the CEO Ruka Yaro, and she's been doing great. So if you want eggs, if you want to support any startup in Africa, I think this is the best place to be, because she's been doing this for past 5 years, and it's been great. She's seen opportunities for herself, and she just believing. So, madam.
And we are also a trading company, so we do supplies, general supplies of household consumables. So apart from your poultry interests, you can reach out to us if you need to do business in supplies, and so we also do meat production, and we do consultancy and trainings in poultry production.
Right. No, can't camera can pam pam. So this is